This video is one of a series numbered 1 to 8, which cover the basic concepts of the primary mathematics curriculum. There are two sets of supporting materials. One is the Maths MESHGuide, a summary of research knowledge and pedagogical knowledge. The second is the Numeracy for All booklet, showing in detail how to make and use the resources mentioned here.
Okay, there's lots of ways that you can use these number tracks once you've made them. These are also decimeters, they're 10 centimetres, so the children can use them as measuring. How many centimetres is your finger? How many centimetres is your thumb? How many centimetres is your nose? How many centimetres across is your finger? So these are wonderful, wonderful ways of measuring. You can also, they're very easy to fold. So if you wanted to show somebody how big is 4 centimetres, then you can fold it across like this, and you can see the length quite easily there. Okay, when it comes to measurement, we've looked at the milk bag tape measure that can be used. It can be used as a number line, but because we've made each division 1 centimetre, it can also be used for measurement. And then you've got the small one, which is your 10 centimetres, your decimeter, which also can be used for measurement. Another really versatile resource is a stick. This is a metre stick divided into 10 centimetre sections. So you can use it for measurement. You can take it around and measure it. So for example, if I want to find something that's a metre, from the tip of my finger to the other shoulder, to the opposite shoulder, is pretty much exactly 1 metre. Now it's not just for measuring though, it can also be used for number work, so for counting work. So the most basic would be just simply counting to 10. So it's something that the teacher can use at the front of the classroom and get the children 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can then progress to asking the children to count forwards and backwards. You can actually sort of jump, so we say, well, this is 1, so this is 3. Ask the children 2, 4. Can they work out that that's 8, 10? Down to here is 7, so you can jump all over the place. You can use it for counting in multiples, so we can say if this is 2, 4, 6, or 8, 16, 24, and so on. So it's good for practicing of multiplication tables. It can also be used for negative numbers, so if you're going to take the middle as 0, 1, 2, so you're asking the question, if this is 0, then what is this? So you can use it for negative numbers. You can also use it for fractions. If you take this to be 1, then it's divided into tenths, so that would be 1 tenth, 2 tenths, 3 tenths, 4 tenths, 5 tenths, or a half. Use it for decimal fractions, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. If this is 0.2, this is 0.3, this is 0.2, so what's this? So get the children to think, to challenge it. Many different ways. And this can be made simply from a stick, a piece of bamboo, or an old broomstick, and then coloured in to make your different sections. Perfect. More detail about the resources in this video and others can be found in this booklet, Numeracy for All, Resources for Teaching Mathematics. A guide for teachers and trainers on how to make and use low-cost or no-cost teaching and learning aids to encourage active and playful learning for maths in the classroom. Okay, let's go and teach some maths.
These videos are from a partnership between VSO International and the MESH Initiative. Both organisations have a commitment to share knowledge freely around the world for the benefit of teachers and learners.